In this video, I'll show you how to use Otter.ai with Google Meet for real-time transcription and automatic notes. First, open Otter.ai in your browser and log into your account. Next, open Google Meet in a new tab. Click New Meeting, then select Start an Instant Meeting. Make sure your microphone is turned on. Now copy the meeting link and go back to Otter.ai. Paste the link into the invitation box and click Record. Return to your Google Meet. You'll see a notification. Click Admit to allow Otter to join. And that's it. Your meeting will now be transcribed in real time.